Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to XCMG Road Machinery Division, which is the world's largest road construction and maintenance machinery manufacturing base. Here you can see the world's most advanced and complete products such as compaction machinery, melting machinery, mixing machinery, smoothing machinery, maintenance machinery, and so on. So on my right hand side now is the roller assembly line, which is the top at Asian. XCMG roller is the champion single products at the road machinery industry at China. And we keep ourselves the leading position for 34 years. In 1916, XCMG produced Chinese first steam rollers. After 60 years development, we can produce more than 100 models in 6 series, such as the world's largest 39 metric ton hydraulic roller, and sales volume for roller above 18 tons is #1 globally. And in 2018, the production of roller had exceeded to 100,000. And with the updates of the technology on the assembly line, right now we can produce more than 10,000 units per year. Now let's come to the paver assembly line. This is our paver assembly line with a total length of 80 meters, and the yearly output is 1,000 units. Here, we produce more than 3 models and 7 series pavers. XCMG's paver has keeping our leading position on sales for 23 years. At the first quarter of this year, XCMG's paver has reached a market share of 14%, which is a historic breakthrough, and the market share for large capacity pavers has increased by 20%. So that's the assembly line for rollers and pavers. Thank you so much.
Welcome to XCMG. I'm glad to see you here, and it's my pleasure to show you the largest and the most advanced motor grader manufacturer base in Asia. And XCMG motor grader has been the sales leader in Chinese domestic industry in last 13 years. Okay, let's start today's tour. Please follow me. In front of us is the assembly line of motor grader. This assembly line consists of one main assembly line of 108 meters long and 9 sub-assembly line for components. And the annual output is up to 6,000 units, including 8 major categories and more than 30 variants. And this assembly line has reached the advanced and industry-leading level due to its inflexible assembling, intelligent control, and the decentralized management. And the punctual and the cycle-based production are ensured, and both of the labor efficiency and the production qualities are guaranteed.